In this video, we're going to take a look at N8N, Crewai, and Langgraph to see which one is better. So basically, with these platforms, you can automate your work. You can create AI agents that will help you automate everything. And each one has a downside. Basically, if we go here, as you can see, we can go to the pricing tab here. So we're gonna have to simply go to pricing to each one of them. Now, as you can see, Crewai doesn't offer a fixed paid plan, so you're gonna have to basically contact them, and simply based on your business scale, they're gonna offer you a plan. But on these two platforms, you'll see that you have a fixed monthly price. So on N8N, basically it starts from 24 euros and it goes up to 60 euros per month. Now, as you can see, you have 3 shared projects, 20 concurrent executions, so basically 20 tasks that the AI can do at one time. Then we have Langgraphs. As you can see here, we have the developer, plus, and custom. So here we don't see anything about the pricing, but you can simply start. So you can click on get started, and as you can see here, you can deploy. Now, in my opinion, N8N is a better platform between these three and is more used. So it's easier to get documentation because it's more used. So if you have to choose between these three, go with N8N. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.